Hello. Hello.
Hello, how are
Hi.
you?
I'm good, and you?
Also good.
What's your name?
My name is Shagor.
Sagor?
Yeah, and what is
My,
yours?
my name is Zoe.
Zoe.
Yes, Zoe.
Cool.
Is this your first time on Cambly?
It's not my first time.
Oh, okay. How have you been enjoying Cambly?
It's good. I like it.
What what would you like to do while you are using Cambly? Are you here to
Sorry.
are you here to learn English?
Yeah, I hear to learn my conversation English, and I also, if I get your permission, I also can upload this video in my YouTube channel for for other peoples.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Um, do you have followers that are also learning English too on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have little followers, but not much more.
Okay, is your channel used to learn English too?
Yeah,
Are you using the channel for anything else, like vlogging?
no, no. I don't using my channel for blogging. But I don't know about future.
Ah, I see. So it's just a new channel, you're just trying different things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, that sounds very cool. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. You know Bangladesh? It is in South Asia.
Yes, that is very far away from me.
Yeah, you are from Canada,
Yes, I
right?
am from Canada.
Where are you living right now?
I am currently located on the west side of Canada, so I'm in British
Okay.
Columbia.
British Columbia is the name of place
Yes, that's
or
the
city.
name of our province.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Um, what city or is Bangladesh the city, or is do you have a city or town that you're living in?
Bangladesh is not a city. Bangladesh is a
Yeah,
country.
right?
I I I living in Chittagong city.
How do you pronounce that?
Chittagong.
Chichagang?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, that's pretty neat. Um, is your city big?
No, no. Actually, my country is small. My city is also small.
Okay. How many people are in your city? Is it like a couple thousand, or is it close to a couple hundred?
Maybe 1,000. I'm not sure.
Okay, that is considerably small compared to where I live.
Yeah, yeah. It's different between Canada because we have a small area, but we have large amount of population.
Hmm. Okay, that's pretty neat too. What time is it there?
Now, two almost two
2 in the
2
afternoon?
p.m. Yeah,
Ah, I see.
afternoon.
That's the complete opposite of me. It is now 12:40 a.m. in the middle of the night here. Yeah, so
Oh,
completely opposite time zones.
yeah, yeah. It's midnight there,
Yes.
but here is up.
Um, are you in school right now, or are you working?
No, I'm not school. I working as freelance graphics
Oh,
designer.
wow, that's really neat.
I work
Oh, sorry, couldn't hear you.
I working in online.
Oh, that's neat. That's nice. Do you get to work from home?
Yeah, from my home.
What kind of
And
graphic design do you do?
I do logo
Mm,
design and social media post design for my clients, and sometimes I do email signature, business card,
Mm.
like this.
Okay, yeah. That seems like it keeps you very busy. You have a lot of products to develop. It keeps you busy. You
Sorry?
have a lot of different types of products that you work on. Products as in like
Yeah,
business cards, logos
yeah,
that you work on. Are
yeah,
your
yeah.
clients all in Bangladesh or are they?
No, no, all are from outside of Bangladesh. They are from United States, United Kingdom, sometimes Canada,
Oh wow.
Australia.
Is this are you working for a company or is this your own company?
I working in
Oh yes,
freelance
freelance.
website.
Okay,
Freelance
that's
website.
really cool that you're able to attract an international clientele
Yeah,
and you have
yeah.
clients everywhere.
Some, yeah. Sometimes I get client from my Instagram also.
Oh, okay. That's good. You can use your social media to attract clients.
Yeah,
That's very good.
yeah, yeah.
Um, how long have you been doing it for?
4 or 5 years
Oh, okay.
I'm doing.
Yeah, that's a lot of time to build a big clientele. That's very
Yeah.
cool.
So are you in school?
Yes, I am a college student right now. Yes.
Okay. You are studying in Canada or any other
I'm
country?
studying in Canada right now. I'm able to study at the college where I live.
Yeah. Uh, Before some days ago, I took with someone in Cambly. She study in US, United States, but living in Morocco. But
Hmm.
she study in.
Yeah, so I guess you could say something that is not entirely positive from COVID is some people are able to go home and are able to learn from their country. So they get to spend time, but unfortunately they aren't able to return to school in person to take classes right now.
So right now, are you doing your class from home or you are going to your college?
I do all my classes at home. Yeah, it seems like we will have classes online until next fall, so a year from now. That's what they're going to, that's what they're saying for now. We're not sure if classes will be in person until maybe a vaccine is developed.
Okay. So how long you are in Cambly?
It's actually not that long. It's only been a few days, so I've met with about like 10 or so students. I usually work online in the evening, so at nighttime where I am, so not long at all. How about you? How long have you been using Cambly for?
I think two
2 months.
months. Two
Okay.
months.
And you enjoy it? You feel like it's been helping
Yeah, yeah. I enjoying. Almost our time is finished. Yeah, I enjoying. I talking with the different
people?
people, and I learned something new.
That's good. We're actually running out of time, but it was really nice talking to you today.
Yeah, nice to meet
Okay,
you.
bye.
Bye.